In this Puremix.net exclusive, Fab Dupont returns to the How to Listen series. This time, it's
Compression Edition.
Compressors are one of the most useful tools we have in audio, offering us the ability to control dynamics, add punch, weight, size, length, depth, girth, thickness, color, warmth, and all of the other marketing words that we hear on a daily basis. But seriously, it's a very important tool to master if you want to make great sounding records. But can you really hear what your compressor is doing? Over the course of this 40-minute tutorial, Fab will show you how to listen to dynamics not only as levels, but as frequency changes. How to send elements further back into your mixes to increase depth, how to add consistency to drum performances, and how to identify the behavioral differences between famous compressors. After teaching you how to hear the differences, Fab will give you a quiz where you'll have to identify the difference between 3 popular compressors on bass drums, helping you to add the sonic signature of multiple compressor settings and styles to your sonic memory. Learn the techniques and approaches to compressing vocals, drums, and one of the most overused applications for compressors, 2-bus compression, from Fab Dupont, only on Puremix.net.